be difficult to dislodge LaMelo Ball once it starts, retaining one of the most well-liked signature series and a well-received lifestyle branch in the PUMA LaFrance. In recent months, the PUMA LaFrance has begun to stray slightly from the monotone, one-note aesthetics that characterized its early days, and it has just passed the silhouette's one-year anniversary. With its use of Ball's fashion labels, graphic iconography and the alternate motif that is so common with the PUMA MB.04 proper, this pair might be the best example of it to date. The point guard's mismatch concept is modified for daily wear with the addition of the LF logo on the tongue, the airbrush writing at the quarter, and sections of the outsole traction that toggle between blue and red on top of this buttery colorway. June 6 is when PUMA and affiliated shops like Champs are expected to release the PUMA LaFrance airbrush. The SRP of adult sizes will be $110 US.